The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for Alibaba, but before I begin, I want to mention a couple of things. I do have a course sale running right now. You only have until today and tomorrow night to get it before it goes back up to its original price. There's no discount code required. All you have to do is visit my website in the video description and the comment section, which I will pin the link to. This is a good course, great course actually, for beginners, intermediate, and even advanced. I'm pretty sure if you know a lot of things about the chart, you're probably still going to learn something from my course because it's very, very hard to find information like that from online. I had to pay for it from other courses, and some stuff I just learned from experience. So, get the course. I know it's going to make a big difference in your investing / trading career. And also, it makes a good gift too. There's New Year's rolling around. If you know someone who's constantly buying the top, selling the bottoms, wants to have a little bit more insight of what the market is doing, this course will definitely help them out. And also, the second thing I want to mention is that I do get a lot of chart requests. So that was the reason I created a donation system where you just donate and you guarantee your question or your analysis will get answered. But there's still some people who are having trouble donating with the PayPal account or whatever like that. Me personally, what I would do is actually just get on my membership. So the membership's only $15 a month, and I look at members' stock requests every Thursday. So I would look at about at least four of your requests every month. So that's already one donation right there. So basically you're getting 4 chart requests for the price of one. So it's just better to get on my membership. It's more beneficial to you also because there's other things such as Stock Thursday. That's when I do your request every Thursday. We do Commodities Wednesday. I look at gold, silver, Bitcoin, oil. I've been pretty right on those markets so far. And then I also do SPY daily updates where I just go over the chart or the candlestick for the day and if my analysis changes throughout the week or not. So there's a lot of benefits. Also a couple of members who are constantly in the Discord writing and posting some charts. So definitely get the membership if you are scared to donate or you don't trust the PayPal or whatever the situation is. Basically you're getting a great deal. So I also leave that in the video description and the comment section below. So let's take a look at BABA. Basically we're just going sideways, and buyers are having a hard time. Aggressive buyers are having a hard time driving the price up past this 89.85 level. Aggressive sellers are having a hard time driving the price lower to lower than the 85.72 level. So it's a very tight range right now, and it's been going on since at least the 15th of December and even the entire month. So you can see the range spans over the entire month of December. So this sideways action is just pretty much all from December. So we're kind of just going sideways. We are in the lower band of the range, so that's not a good sign. We should be going back and forth, but since we're stuck in the lower band, this is showing a little bit of strength for the sellers. So there's a good chance we see a breakout maybe next week and the coming weeks to the downside. But I don't think it's over for BABA. Let me go and make this channel. So we have a yellow channel working higher, and we have an orange range. So there's basically, patterns coinciding with patterns. So since we're in the lower half of the range, there's a good chance we break out towards the bottom side. I mean, we could still go up to the top side, but I believe the likelihood is stronger now that we break out to the bottom side. So that's what I'm going to be predicting. So if we do break out to the bottom side, measure move target is at the $80 level, and that would be a gap fill right here. We should not drop lower than that. We can, but the lower and lower we go, it's a bad sign that we're not going to go higher. So I give the market this much to go down before reevaluating if we're even going to go up at all. So I still believe this measure move target will be hit in the future, maybe sometime in January, depending how much longer we're still trading sideways. If we're trading sideways, then the time increases to reach these targets. So I'm still looking for that $100 target, $102 target. I think that breakout would be a fake breakout. We see a breakout to the bottom side, fake out, and then we see that rally take place. So traders are probably thinking we're going to go lower, so they enter the positions right now. The breakout occurs, reverses strongly, and then we see that move higher. So that's what I'm predicting to occur. We'll have to wait and see, but as of right now, we're not going lower, so I think the analysis to the upside still holds. So BABA just going sideways, still holding for that triple digit target. Let's take a look at the weekly chart, and here's the weekly chart for Alibaba. Just a couple of things to mention is that prices, the second time price has been above the EMA since February of 2021, so it's almost 2 years, and this is only the second time. So the first time was back over here. Those 4 consecutive weeks prices closed above the EMA. Now this month right here is the 5th. There's 5 consecutive weeks prices closed above the EMA. So that is showing some signs of strength, because in the past we barely got above the EMA. Then we started getting 4 bars closing above the EMA. Now we're getting 5 bars closing above the EMA. So showing a change in market structure. Also, this $80 level was acting as support and resistance. So it's a key level, and it's right at that, like I said, the measure move target on the daily chart is at the $80 level. That's where this horizontal line is, at the $80 level. We tested it here for support, tested it here, broke below it right here, found resistance, came back up, found resistance, traded sideways a little bit, then we saw a massive green bar. So this amount of force was required to break through that level, traded higher, having a hard time getting above this, 90, low 90s. Now we're kind of rolling over. I say if we come back to the 80, it should act as support and get that another leg higher. So we'll have to wait and see if that occurs. If we break that below, it could act as resistance in the future, and then we're probably going to retest maybe the all-time lows for BABA. So we'll have to wait and see. This is another wait and see stock. We're not really doing anything right now. We're not really trending, so I'm gonna have to wait and see what the market wants to do. But I believe there's a good chance we go to the upside if we bounce from the $80 level. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Since you might be surprised what you can learn, leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video in front of your friends who learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.